Okay, hello and welcome back to another Figma tutorial. And today we will make a project that's called a home page, a property landing page. Okay, so today we will make this UI and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, for this design I have already prepared the asset for to use. We have a picture of a house, and then this I made it by myself with some shape and masking, and this retro shape, this too, and the logo I'm used from the logo Ipsum plugin, and this logo, the Kota Wisata Medland Smargon Citra, I'm getting it from the Google, and this picture too from I get it from the from Unsplash. So okay, let's start the tutorial. So in this homepage, it contains as usual, as must have for any web page is a navbar. Navbar allows you to navigate to any section that include in the web page. And then the hero section. So the hero section is the first display on your web page, and it used to show the audience your feel about your company or your branding, and it starts from here, the hero page, and it contains some information about it, and also it must have a CTA button, the call to action button, so the user will interact it will interest to press the button for continuing their action. And then we have the partner section. This is optional. And then we have the describing the page, that the section that describing about our branding, our company, and we have the the benefit, what is this, I forgot the name. Oh yeah, the your value, what is the benefit when the user choose us. So you have to insert the plus from your company. And then we have the menu, the surface menu, and then our product. Yes, for a property company, you should insert a product list so the viewers, the audience can see what things that you sell, or what things that you provide. And then testimony, what our customers say about us. And then before the last, there are gallery that contains a picture of your company, and then the footers, the last, that includes the contact, social media, and other thing. Okay, so let's just immediately start our tutorial. First thing first, that you need the frame. So in here I'm use a desktop frame, and then for the first thing I will insert this image here. Okay. Oh yeah, and don't forget to make your grid. I've already make a style here, so the size is 12, the count of column is 12, and the margin is 165, and the gutter is 5. Okay, so let's make it. So let's make the header, the navigation bar first. Just make a rectangle by pressing R in your keyboard. Set the height to 130 and this corner to 20, I think. 50. Oh, the corner radius is 50, but just remember just below corner radius. So let's change it to 50. Then change the color to white. Then I have already prepared the logos, so let's drop and drag this logo here. Then for the types, I'm here using Montserrat regular, and the size is 24. Let's type it, property. Okay, let's duplicate it to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay. Then change the type, surface, product, about us, and last is contact. And for the contact, we make it to be a button. So for making it, we use auto layout, and then look at here, we have already make it the frame, and let's see. Okay, the frame is 52, and the corner is 10. The corner 10. Set the fill to green and use stroke. Just tick off one. Okay, so let's change this to black. Change the text to black, and then just use auto layout. The gap is 41. We just make it 40, and then to the frame 2, Shift A, and the gap is 100. No, the gap is 62. Okay, after we make this, just drag it here, just here, and then auto layout it with the logo. Okay, we'll just adjust this, the frame here, and add some padding, maybe 165. Okay, we already make our navbar. Next, we will make the hero. So here we use a rectangle with its width is 1302 and the height is 707. So let's make triangle by pressing R, and then let's change the height 107.47 and adjust here. Okay, then turn the corner radius to 40 and set the fill to white, and then just make the opacity to 40 so you can see what behind it becomes transparent, and add an effect, the blur effect. So I have already made the style here, so I just can click it and the style is auto attach. You want to look, just background blur, and the blur is 50. Okay, after this just type a text. Maybe I'll copy it from here. So the text here is with Montserrat, and it's bold, and the size is 80. Then for the description is Montserrat regular, and the size is 24. So okay, I have auto layout it and just copy and drag. Okay, there it is. And this text bar, the search bar. Let's make the search bar, and how to make it. It's simple. How to make. We use auto layout as we usually do. So just type search bar, search your house. Okay, then press Shift A and set the fill and change the corner to 50, so it make your corner, make your search bar to round. Then after that, line it to the left. Then add the icon. In here I'm use a map icon. Okay, we just copy it. Oops, sorry, there's some mistake. Okay, just put it here and adjust the padding. I'm using 45, and then let's change the fill to gray, a bit gray. And after you set it, after you make search bar, let's make it auto layout and change this to fill. Looks 108. Okay, let's this is 108 and set it center. Then I will use this photo, not this one, the other one. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one. So I'll use the photo and I'll put here and maybe I will make this more even bigger. 108. 1000, sorry, 1302. So then put it here and make this two to be auto layout. we have layout. Okay, maybe can adjust this one. Okay, so next we'll make the partner one, the partner section. So let's make a triangle, and the height is 238. Make the rectangle, and then set the color to green, and adjust the height. Okay, and just type our partner, our partner. Okay, and use the underline. From here there is a button that makes your text to be an underline text, and you can see here, hey, where's the underline? Okay, there it is. See here, there an underline. And okay, for the partner text we use Montserrat bold, and the size is 32. Set it to center, then turn the opacity to 20, like a pass through. Yes, set it to 20. Okay, and then drag the image, the logo here. Then after that, use auto layout for make it neat, and let's see the gap. Oh, it's auto. Maybe let's change the gap to 80. Okay, then for that, let's auto layout it with the partner text, then put it on one here. Let auto layout it with the background. Okay, after we make the partner section, let's make the company description. Here is a rectangle, so we just copy paste it, and then for this rectangle we have an effect, drop shadow effect, and this is the settings. The Y is -8, so it makes a shadow for on the top. Here you can not clearly see because okay, you can, this is a shadow here, and then the blur is 30 and the spread is 10, and the opacity is 25%. It is a default setting. So here we have our achievement here. So for the achievement, we use, for the numbers of achievement, we use 48 bold months, and the description we use regular months, and the size is 20. Make it 3, and the gap auto layout, and the gap is 62 between each text. Okay, just for making it fast, I'll just copy paste it here and adjust it, line at the center, and for this, same with this text, we use 80 for the headings, and for the description we use 24 regular. Okay, let's just copy it, the about us or some description, and for the button, the size is 60 and the width is 185, and I make it as usual, like usual. I made it with auto layout. Just type the text and Control Shift and Shift A, press Shift A, so it makes an auto layout. The corner is 10, and the color is green, like we use for this brand, this company brand, and set the stroke, and the stroke weight is 1. After we make it, just auto layout these two first, the descriptions, headings, script, and the script in just auto layout these headings and its description, then auto layout it again with the button, and set the gap between it to 168. You just fill it container. Okay, maybe let's just copy it here, set this to the corner of the column, and let's take the image from here. Maybe not this one, I haven't copied it yet, right? Okay, let's just copy here image. Oops, I didn't press the alt button. Okay, so this is the image. So maybe I'll describe for how I make this image. Okay, so this have a vector. I made it with the pen tool, just like this. Okay, and there it is. For the what the name? The circular path, the ring. Yes, the ring. And for the star, I'm using the star tool. So we make this star and set the star to 4. You can set the point here, then just drag the ratio button here like this. You can adjust the ratio to very sharp until like this. You make this octagon. Okay, you can like that. This is the radius. Okay, so that's how I made it. And for the back, it's just a shape, rectangle shape with a corner of 331. So they just make it round. And for this, I make it with masking. So you see there is a image back here. Look it, there is some image here, and I mask it with a rectangle. Then after that, just make the particles and use a bit of drop shadow on the back, and voila, the picture is ready. So let's auto layout it first like this. And for the, what is the name, the first, the second, third one, I forgot. So the first thing we have to auto layout is this text, and this auto layout it to here, to the learn more button. So it make a vertical layout, then make a horizontal layout when we auto layout it with this picture, and make a vertical layout again, and if we auto layout it with the achievement. So after that, we will use this some illustration ornaments. Use ornaments, just its size, just a place, put it here, just size. Okay, maybe like this. Hey, okay, this, and we already made this. Then for here you can use this, and for now for the headings I'm used 864, and there is the script, just this text, small text, use mouse red, semi-bold, and the size is 24. Then for the benefit, this is just a random text, so yeah, for its headings maybe it's not very good because I'm resizing it with the scale plugin, although it's fine. It's just fine as your text is readable. It's fine. So in this, so honestly, this circle is an icon, but I didn't found the icon that's really fit to the design. so I have to make it by myself, but it is too not too hard. I can do it, but it takes a time to make it. So yeah, just use a random picture from the content tutorial plugin. Okay, and we place it to a circle. So for this, just make like this, a gap here, auto layout with this and this with this, and the top and button in the bottom, and then the last with the headings. Okay, for making things fast, just copy it from here, and then just make a divider here. This is for divider for the products and the company description. I'm using a picture for the divider, and it's a mask group. So this is the actual size of the picture. Then I'm masking it with this rectangle, and it be like this. And for the surface, our surface, let's just paste it here, set it to the center, and okay, let's make this. Maybe I will show you how to make this. So this is a rectangle. As you can see, this is a rectangle, but with the fill of image, you can see here there is a solid one, the solid. Maybe there is this solid one, the solid fill, the gradient fill, the image fill, like this, what previously done, what previously I used, and what is this? Oh, we have to upgrade it to professional Figma. And yeah, we can use a video for the background. Okay, maybe just like that. So when I make this, but so when you hover it, no. Okay, so the actual what's the name? So it's crawling it by itself, crawl automatically. So when after 3 seconds the picture roll to the left, and this is the selected one, and the other is, yeah, you know, and this is 50. Okay, we just copy it, maybe shift A, and it's the bottom. Maybe we add some padding here, the below padding to 30, yeah, like this, and then you just copy it. Okay, just make things fast. Okay, like this. Describing one by one, and this is I already auto layout it, so I'll describe it. No, not describe. Yes, I'll describe it. These for the headings we use Montserrat bold and the size is 52, and this description we use regular and the size is 24. Okay, for this one, oops, there is a many segments here, so in my ideas, when we choose this, there will be like this. There are a green background behind it when we click one of these, and this popular offer is a special section, so I made it like this. Okay, for the line you can make it with a line here. Just press L to make this or line, or you just can make it with the pen tool, and then just text it and auto layout each text, and then auto layout it, all of it. And for the selected section, just add a background, add a fill on the frame, and I'm using stroke here for making a vibes of retro design. So this is a futuristic calm retro, maybe a simplistic retro. I'm combine the style, so like this, and this is the product. I made it with auto layout, just like what I made in the previous video. And okay, and for the background is white box with drop shadow effect. The X is 0, the Y is 0, and the blur I'm set it to 100. Okay, let's just copy it for making fair. Okay, done. Align it to center, and then the customer what say about us. Just like usual, I'm take this image from Unsplash and masking it with the rectangles here, and you can see on the layer there's mask group and then a rectangle here. Okay, it just, and for the selected one I make it more bigger, because for showing this more bigger, and there is indicator here, so you can see the difference with the what card is in the front and the right and left and behind it, and the card behind it. So yeah, just like that. And here I'm use icon, a chevron icon. Okay, maybe you you have understand what I made here. Just like the previous video one, I made it with auto layout, and check here and here, and voila, it's done. And for the gallery, I made it with this picture. Let's send it to back. Oh, there's the rectangle. Okay, maybe we'll tidy up this first. This and this, and set the text to auto layout, and add the padding, the right and left padding, and set it to 50 till, yeah, like this, maybe just like that, and just auto layout it with the background and this too, maybe. Oh no. And just group it, and let's copy it to here. Okay, it's done. Oh, that is this one. Just done making it. Adjust is the center. Wait a minute. Just like this. Just adjust it manually. Can see the corner of the card is touching the corner of the columns. And after that, just copy the picture from here. And the same thing that I made for the hero section, I made the card with rectangle, and change the opacity, and use the blur effect, the background blur, for making like this glass effect card. And for here I'm using absolute here. So making your auto layout absolute makes the thing that you choose the absolute, you can move it freely on your frame. So you can, it's up to you, you want to just move it like this, like this, but it's still on the same frame with the frame that you auto layout, like this. You can see, hey, wait a minute. Okay, you can look at here, it's absolute, and this is inside this frame. Look at it, you can move it around and it's still attached to the frame while it's not tidy. Okay, let's put here, so you just know, just copy paste it from here. Can make it right. Just auto layout this like the previous one, and this for the rectangle. Hey, wait a minute, where is it? Yeah, I'll just copy it. Copy the rectangle here. This is the center and line below. Oh, maybe I'll tidy up the picture. Okay. Then for the footers, I'm using the logo to be the darker green, so it's look more good to see. And use auto layout too, and everything is auto layout here. For the contact, this and the logo, auto layout it. So yeah, there it is. Our properties homepage. So there it is, what we have. Okay, maybe just like that for the tutorial. It's same like the previous one when we make what is this, a food delivery app page or the boarding page. Yeah, we use auto layout for making it, and yeah, maybe just like that. And sorry for if I had a mistake when describing this tutorial. And yes, see you on the next tutorial. Okay, bye.